All right, we are on to part 2.6, problem 2.6. So we have a part here, revolved part, of course. It's got a big flange on the back. It's got a little dip and then a larger or smaller flange on the front. In the front view, it looks like circle. This is the large flange. Here's the smaller flange, and here's that hidden line for what that center is. And then there's the hole out of the center. In the section view here, we have the flange, and all of my measurements. Coming in this way. So taking a look, the overall part has to be 0.7 thick, and the overall diameter has to be 3.4. So let's go into Part Studio and get that taken care of. I'm going to go on the right plane again, sketch, rectangle, right click, normal to sketch plane. Draw my rectangle. Don't have to put anything in yet. We want to get our center line drawn, or our axis drawn. So I click on center line and drop that into place. Now I come back and do my dimensioning. So again, 0.7, 3.4. Click on the top here with my dimension tool. 0.7. Diameter. So if I go here, that's only going to be half of it. I want to go over the top. 3.4. Enter. And hit the green check mark. Go to Revolve. Again, what part? Right there's my part I want to revolve. Revolve axis. Right there. Take a look. Green check. Okay, now we got to start making our cuts, revolved cuts. So I'm going to go over here, go to my views, and go to section view. Select plane, right plane. Hit the green check mark. Sketch on the right plane, get my first revolved cut done. So what I'm going to do is come over here and take a look at my first revolved cut. I need to be 100 thousandths off the back edge, and then I need to be 600 thousandths off the back edge. So I'm going to cut this rectangle out. So I'll have these two flanges be the same size at first, and then we'll cut that one off. So the first thing I gotta do is project some geometry. So I'm going to go projected geometry, use project geometry. Click there, click that surface, and click the back surface. So now I got all the geometry projected. Draw my rectangle, coming straight down. Right click, normal to sketch plane. Back wall forward. 0.1. Back wall here. 0.6. And that'll leave a 0.1 up front because I went from the back wall on everything. So I always go from where this extension line is going in the dimension line. So I got that taken care of. Last thing I need here is this, and I'm getting a diameter of a 0.9. So I got to get a diameter on here. So I'm going to draw my axis line again. I drew it as a regular line, that's fine, just click on it, turn it to a center line. Here to here, 0.24, I want to go over the top to get a diameter and go 0.9. Green check, got everything designed. Want to highlight that, so I just draw a window over it. Again, just drag a window over it. Not an extrude, I want to do a revolve. Get my window, revolve axis. Right here. Boolean because I didn't remove it yet. And hit the green check. Now I have it cut out like an H. Now I'm going to cut off this little flange right here. Could have cut this flange off right away, but it's okay. So now we're going to do a new sketch on the same plane. I'm going to hit my project geometry. So I'm going to get these lines on here. There, there, and there. Now all I need, I got those all taken care of. All I need is a line that goes across horizontally. I know I'm going to get a diameter again. So I'm going to draw my axis line. Dimension here, here. Come over the midline, and I got to figure out where that is. Diameter of that is 2. Process goes back through, so we got that taken care of. Green check. Revolve. Highlight this. Got that edge. Look at this, I'm going to remove it. I'm not going to get my warning. Revolve access. Here, it's cutting it off. There we go. Last thing I got to do, put the hole in, the center, right here, diameter 0.5 through. Come back over here. I'm going to turn off the section view. So click on your view cube, turn off the section view. Draw a sketch on the front. Center point on the axis. Right there. Green check, hole, simple, through, 0.5 inches. There's a hole cutting through. Green check. Hit P to turn planes off. Right click, go isometric. Section view. I'm happy with that right now. Go on to mass. Click on the surface, it should be 1.403 for volume. You can make sure you have revolve 1, 2, and 3 in hole 1. Get your name, have this all completed. And nice job, you're done with your second revolve.